Hi, I'm Emma. Today's English is slow and easy. Just relax and listen along. Have you ever looked up at a huge menu, seen a long list of choices, and felt totally stuck on which one to pick? Today Hannah is stopping at Wingstop, the American chicken wing restaurant famous for its bold flavors and crispy wings. There are 11 flavors on the board, the smell is amazing, and it's the perfect place to practice friendly, everyday English. And here's the magic part. Today Hannah uses one gentle phrase to get help with almost anything. Could you help me? You can use this exact phrase at Wingstop, at any restaurant, or really anywhere in America. So settle in, relax your shoulders, and let's order some wings with Hannah. Alright. Today Hannah has 3 gentle missions. 1. Order wings at the Wingstop counter, and ask for help picking a flavor from the 11 on the board too. Add an order for a friend, and calmly switch a flavor that turns out to be way too spicy. 3. Grab a ranch dip at the pickup counter, and decide for here or to go when a menu is new and there are too many choices. One soft, polite request for help can carry you through the whole visit without any stress. By the end of this video, you'll be able to ask for help choosing, switch an item kindly, add one small thing, and pay with confidence, all in simple, natural English. Ready? Let's step inside Wingstop. Here are today's 5 Wingstop key phrases. Repeat each one after me. Nice and slow. Key phrase 1. Could you help me pick a flavor? Could you help me pick a flavor? This is today's magic phrase. Could you help me? Is one of the friendliest ways to ask for help in English. It's polite, it's clear, and it tells the other person exactly what you need. It's perfect when a menu feels too big and you're not sure where to start. Key phrase 2. Sorry, that's not quite right. Could I switch to the lemon pepper instead? Sorry, that's not quite right. Could I switch to the lemon pepper instead? A kind, easy way to change your mind when a flavor turns out to be too spicy. Starting with sorry keeps it warm and polite. Key phrase 3. Would it be possible to make that boneless instead? Would it be possible to make that boneless instead? A gentle, respectful way to swap one thing for another. Here, classic wings for boneless. Key phrase 4. Is it okay if I pay with a card here? Is it okay if I pay with a card here? A soft, natural way to check how you can pay before you start. Key phrase 5. I was wondering if you could add a ranch dip. I was wondering if you could add a ranch dip. A relaxed, polite way to add one small thing to your order. Great job! Now let's watch Hannah use them at Wingstop. Hannah steps up to the order counter at Wingstop, where a long menu board glows above with all 11 flavors and the smell of fresh wings fills the air. Behind the register is Nolan. A friendly but nervous new Wingstop worker in his early 20s, only on his 3rd day, wearing a black Wingstop shirt and cap, checking the screen as he learns the flavors.
Hi. Wow, there are so many flavors. Could you help me pick a flavor?
Oh, sure. Okay. So we've got 11. There's lemon pepper, garlic Parmesan, original hot, Cajun, mango habanero, Hawaiian, Louisiana rub, and hickory smoked barbecue, mild, plain, and atomic.
That is a lot. Which ones are popular?
Lemon pepper is our number 1, for sure. Garlic Parmesan too. And the mango habanero if you like. Sorry, I'm still learning. The mango habanero if you like sweet.
Oh, mango sounds nice and sweet. Let's try the mango habanero, please.
Mango habanero, got it. Classic wings, or boneless.
Would it be possible to make that boneless instead?
Of course. Boneless it is. And aside, we've got the seasoned fries.
Yes, the seasoned fries, please. Is it okay if I pay with a card here?
Absolutely. Right on the reader. Thanks for being patient. It's only my third day at Wingstop.
You're doing great. Thank you, Nolan.
Thanks. Your name's up on the screen. We'll call it. Welcome to Wingstop.
Beautifully done, Hannah. She opened with our magic phrase, could you help me pick a flavor? Friendly, clear, and polite. Could you help me? Is special because it tells the other person exactly what you need, and it makes them want to help you. It's perfect when a menu feels huge. Like the 11 flavors at Wingstop. And Nolan was brand new, so he got a little flustered reading the flavors. But Hannah stayed calm and kind, and never made him feel bad. She also swapped to boneless politely with would it be possible to make that boneless instead? And checked, is it okay if I pay with a card here? Nice and easy. Hannah steps to the second register to add an order for her friend. Behind it is Marcus. A chatty, cheerful Wingstop worker in his 30s who loves to talk and share little facts, wearing a black Wingstop shirt and cap.
Hi. Could I add one more order for my friend? Another mango habanero, boneless.
You got it. Ooh, mango habanero. Good choice. You know that one's got a real kick, right? It's sweet at first, then the habanero pepper sneaks up on you. Some folks say it's our spiciest after the atomic.
Wait. It's spicy? I thought mango meant sweet.
Ha! Everybody thinks that. Mango's the sweet part, but habanero is a hot little pepper. Now the atomic. That one'll make your eyes water. The mildest ones are the lemon pepper and the plain mild.
Oh. Sorry, that's not quite right for me, then. Could I switch to the lemon pepper instead? For both orders, please.
Smart move. Lemon pepper's a crowd favorite anyway. 2 boneless lemon pepper, coming up. Did you know lemon pepper's been the #1 flavor at Wingstop for years?
I did not. Thank you for saving me from the spice.
That's what I'm here for. Trust me, the atomic sends folks running for the ranch. Anything else?
I was wondering if you could add a ranch dip.
Always a good call with wings. 2 boneless lemon pepper, seasoned fries, 1 ranch. You're all set.
Thank you so much, Marcus.
Anytime. Enjoy Wingstop.
Look how kindly Hannah changed her order. She thought mango habanero would be sweet, but Marcus explained it's actually quite spicy. Instead of feeling stuck, Hannah gently switched, sorry, that's not quite right for me, then. Could I switch to the lemon pepper instead? Notice how she started with sorry and kept her voice warm. Changing your mind can feel a little awkward, but a soft sorry, that's not quite right, makes it easy and polite. This happens all the time. A dish is spicier or bigger than you expected. And now you can switch it with a smile. She also added one small thing with I was wondering if you could add a ranch dip? A relaxed, friendly way to ask. Hannah waits at the pickup counter, where bags of hot wings and seasoned fries come out one after another. Handing them over is Cole. A quiet, steady Wingstop worker in his 30s who says little but works with calm, sure hands, wearing a black Wingstop shirt and cap.
Hi. I was wondering if you could add one more ranch dip for the road.
Sure.
You make it look so easy.
Do it all day. There.
Thank you. Is it okay if I check the order? 2 boneless lemon pepper and the seasoned fries.
All in there. Fries are hot.
Oh, perfect. And is this for here or to go? I mean, could I eat here?
Dining rooms open. Sit anywhere.
These seasoned fries are so good with the ranch.
That's the idea.
Thank you. You've been so kind.
Enjoy. Come back to Wingstop.
Thank you so much, Cole.
Wonderful. Hannah ordered her wings, asked for help with the flavors, switched a too spicy mango habanero for a mild lemon pepper, and added a ranch dip. All with calm, polite English. At the pickup counter she used "I was wondering if you could add one more ranch dip, and is it okay if I check the order?" Two easy, natural phrases you can use almost anywhere. But the biggest phrase of the day was still our magic one: "Could you help me?" A friendly request for help plus a kind worker equals a smooth, happy visit, at Wingstop or anywhere. Okay. Now it is quiz time. Quiz time. Today Hannah felt lost in front of the 11 flavors at Wingstop, so she asked the worker for help choosing one. Which sentence was Hannah's magic phrase today? A. Give me the lemon pepper wings. B. Could you help me pick a flavor? C. What flavors do you have? Try writing your answer. A, B, or C, or the whole phrase in the comments below. Writing it down helps your brain remember it 100 times better than reading. I read every single comment and I will reply to let you know if you got it right. Amazing work today, everyone. Now you have 5 gentle phrases that will help you feel calm and confident anywhere in America. Could you help me pick a flavor? Sorry, that's not quite right. Could I switch to the lemon pepper instead? Would it be possible to make that boneless instead? Is it okay if I pay with a card here? I was wondering if you could add a ranch dip. With these 5 phrases, even a long, bold menu at Wingstop starts to feel friendly and easy. If this video helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe to Easy English with Emma. It truly makes my day. Next time, Hannah heads to the airport. She's flying with Delta Airlines from JFK, and will practice all the English you need for check-in and the gate. See you next time. Bye-bye.